Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will discuss harmful effects of mobile and computer screen on our eyes. I will also give 18 useful tips to save your eyes. First, it is important to know that what is blue light. Blue light is also known as high energy visible or HEV light. It is emitted from our phones, tablets and laptops, and sadly it may contribute to vision problems such as cataract and age-related macular degeneration. Blue light is particularly toxic as it has a shorter wavelength than other colors of light, meaning it has more energy. Blue light bypasses the pupil and cornea and beams directly into the retina of our eyes. It affects central vision as it kills off the photoreceptor cells in the retina. Once these cells die, they cannot regenerate. Now, what are the symptoms of this early age-related macular degeneration? These symptoms are usually seen in central vision in the form of distorted or blurred objects. As the condition progresses, black spots may appear in the central vision, blocking the view. Other symptoms of age-related macular degeneration can be colors appearing faded, hallucinations, and straight lines appearing wavy. Now, another important problem is computer vision syndrome, which is also known as digital eye strain. It is a milder side effect of screen, and symptoms include blurred vision, headaches, pain in the shoulder and neck, dry and red eyes, difficulty in concentrating and making errors. Now, who are at greater risk? People with pre-existing vision problems such as astigmatism, farsightedness and presbyopia, they are at greater risk. Wearing contact lenses increases the risk of digital eye strain or computer vision syndrome by 5 times. Improper sitting position and distance from the screen is also an important risk factor. Using mobile or other screen when in dark surrounding can exacerbate blue light toxic effect. Now, number of hours we spend on screen also matter. More than 8 hours of screen time per day double the risk of digital eye strain. Now, unfortunately, many children don't realize that blurred vision or discomfort is unnatural and wait too long to tell their parents or teachers. Now I will discuss the ways and tips to protect your eyes from harmful effects of screens. An important thing to do is to adjust the brightness and contrast to low level. These are two aspects of a smartphone that affect the eyesight the most. Avoid prolonged smartphone use in dim environment. Never stare at the screen in the dark. Get an anti-glare screen protector. Most advanced smartphones do come with an anti-glare screen by default, but if yours doesn't, go get one immediately. Attach a glare reduction filter to your computer screen too. Now use blue light filters or night shift or night mode of your phone. These you can adjust in settings. These may be inbuilt feature of your phone or you can browse them from different application stores. Use computer glasses which are specifically designed for reading computer or mobile. These glasses block blue light. There are a number of brands of eyeglasses, lenses and coatings. Make sure your eyeglass lenses have an anti-reflective coating. Now keep your screen clean. Routinely wipe down your smartphone or computer screen with a dry, not wet, cleaning cloth to remove distracting dust, grime, smudges and fingerprints. Now correct sitting position. When using a computer, chair should be comfortably padded and conform to the body. Chair height should be adjusted so feet rest flat on the floor. Arms should be adjusted to provide support while typing, and wrist shouldn't rest on the keyboard when typing. Now keep a distance of 20 to 28 inches between the eyes and computer screen. Also keep the screen 15 to 20 degrees below the eye level as measured from the center of the screen. Do not tilt a computer monitor. Keep handheld devices such as mobile or tablet at a safe distance, that is 16 to 18 inches from your eyes, and just below the eye level. Avoid hunching closer and closer. Now lessen the amount of overhead and surrounding light that is competing with your device screen. Now adjust the text size. Don't keep it too small because it strains the eyes and decrease the viewing distance. Generally, large text is better as it saves your eyes. Now blink frequently. Keep your eyes wet by blinking about 10 times every 20 minutes when using a desktop or smartphone. Staring at a screen dries your eyes, and a natural way to moisten them is by blinking. Splash your eyes with ordinary water when working for long hours. This helps to moisten your eyes and also protect from screen radiation. Also take a 20-20-20 break. This means that every 20 minutes, take a 20-second break and look at something 20 feet away. This 20-20-20 rule relaxes focusing muscle inside the eye and also relaxes muscle outside eyes that converge them. Even better, after every 40 or 50 minutes with your device, take a 10 or 15 minute break away from any screen. You could even take a quick exercise or meditation break. This will help not only your eyes but your overall health. Parents should limit the amount of screen time for children and reduce their own screen time in front of children so as to set healthy standard in home. Go outside and play more. Enjoy your weekends with friends and relatives rather than staring at screen. Get a thorough eye examination every year. Even minor problems with your eyesight can increase your risk for digital eye strain or computer vision syndrome. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel.